Welcome to our video, Register a Trademark for Your Brand. At Amazon, we encourage brands to trademark their brand names and logos. That means legally registering them with a designated government office in a specific country. By registering a brand name or logo, a brand receives verification from that office that they're the owner of products identified by it. That gives them legal rights and protections for their brand name or logo, which is considered intellectual property or IP in a country where it is trademarked. Trademarking is also one of two basic requirements brands meet in order to enroll in and enjoy the benefits of Amazon Brand Registry. The other is a brand name or a logo that includes a brand name permanently affixed to their products or packaging. If a brand doesn't want to trademark their brand name or logo, they can submit a request to Amazon to list their products using an unregistered brand name. They may also be able to sell products generically in the Amazon store, but we recommend trademarking whenever possible because of the legal protections and additional benefits it provides. It's worth getting familiar with the trademarking process and the resources Amazon offers to help complete it, even if you aren't yet ready to pursue a trademark. To enroll in brand registry, you need an active, registered trademark for your brand name or logo. Or, in some cases, you can enroll using a pending trademark application or a pending trademark registration. If you want to use a registered trademark to enroll in brand registry, it needs to be issued by the designated government office of a country where Amazon has a corresponding store. As a reminder, here's the full list. In the US, for example, trademarks for brand names and logos are issued by the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. Brands prove they own the rights to their trademark by submitting a trademark number during brand registry enrollment. That number appears on the trademark certificate they receive from the designated government office. If you want to use a pending trademark application to enroll in brand registry, it also needs to be secured from the designated government office of a country where Amazon has a corresponding store. You can get assistance securing a pending application through Amazon's IP Accelerator program. To learn more about that program, watch our Seller University video, Register a Trademark through IP Accelerator, or get started by visiting brandservices.amazon.com, hovering over Tools, and clicking IP Accelerator. If you want to use a pending trademark registration to enroll in brand registry, you need to secure it from one of the offices Amazon accepts pending registrations from. To check whether your pending registration can be used for brand registry enrollment, search Seller Central for enrollment guidelines for accepted trademark offices. Click the link for the relevant trademark office, then look for information about pending registrations and trademark statuses. It's important to note that all trademarks, whether active or pending, are registered with individual countries. You're only required to have a trademark in one country when you want to enroll with Amazon. After a single country's trademark has been approved by brand registry, you'll have a global account that can be used for every Amazon store worldwide. But if you plan to have your products sold in multiple countries, across multiple Amazon stores, we recommend submitting a trademark to brand registry for each country. That's because, while Amazon extends the privileges of brand enrollment across all our stores, the IP rights and legal protections of a government-verified trademark remain country-specific. For example, let's say you want to enroll in brand registry so that your products can be listed as part of your brand when they're sold in our US and India stores. In that case, you'd only be required to secure one trademark, either from the USPTO or the Office of the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks in India. You could use that one trademark to enroll in brand registry and enjoy related benefits while selling in both countries. But to ensure that your brand and products receive the same IP rights and legal protections in both the US and India, we'd recommend registering a trademark in both countries and submitting both trademarks to brand registry. You'd submit the first trademark for approval during enrollment. After that first trademark is approved and your brand is enrolled with Amazon, you'd then use the Manage Intellectual Properties tool in the Brand Registry portal to connect the second trademark to your brand. The trademarks you obtain from one or more countries' government offices must be text-based word marks for brand names or image-based design marks for logos. If you decide to trademark a logo, Keep in mind that any image-based design mark you want to use in the Amazon store must include your brand name. This requirement allows us to confirm that brands are paired with the correct products. To obtain either type of trademark, start by going to brandservices.amazon.com. Click the Get Started with Brand Registry button, then click the Get Started button on the next page. Scroll down and click You can review country-specific requirements here. Then select the country where you want to register and review the list of requirements. Next, click the link to the relevant trademark office's website. That's where you can begin the official registration process and obtain the trademark you'll need to enroll in brand registry, or the pending trademark application or registration. If you plan to trademark your brand name or logo with the USPTO, note that it has both principal and supplemental registers. Your brand assets must go on their principal register if you want to use your trademark to enroll in brand registry. The principal register is primary, offers the greatest level of protection for trademark owners, and offers brands recognition worldwide. While some product owners complete the trademark registration process themselves using guides or educational materials provided by the registering office, we encourage brands to seek assistance from a trademark attorney or law firm. If you don't already have a preferred partner for the trademark registration process, we encourage you to take advantage of the Amazon IP Accelerator program, which can help connect you with trusted IP law firms that provide trademark registration services at competitive rates. After you have the required trademark, you're ready to enroll your brand with Amazon. For step-by-step instructions, see our Seller University video, Enroll Your Brand in Amazon Brand Registry. This concludes our video on registering a trademark for your brand. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!